By default, the always on display on your Redmi Note 15 Pro will last only 10 seconds before it disappears, and then you kind of have to tap on the screen again for it to appear, and then it's going to last for another 10 seconds before it disappears. So if you want to fix that problem and you don't want your always on display to last only 10 seconds, you want it to last more than 10 seconds, then you need to disable system optimizations. And to do that, you're going to have to go inside the developer settings. So you tap on settings and then go to about phone and then go to OS version. Tap on that about 7 times, and that's going to prompt you to enable developer options. And then now to access the developer options, go back to the main settings page and then scroll down to additional settings. Tap on that, and then under additional settings, you should see developer options. Now inside developer options, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page, and then you can now start scrolling up a bit, and you should see this option reset to default values. So you want to tap on that about 5 times, and that's going to pop up this little extra setting: turn on system optimization. Now to turn off system optimization, you simply disable that. Now it's going to give you a warning. Of course, you need to read that and what it says, and then eventually you tap on accept, and you can see now the toggle button to turn on system optimization has been turned off. So that means we've successfully turned off system optimization. So now you can have your always on display without any limitations for system optimization. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, feel free to talk to us down in the comment section. Good luck.